ELECTRO-TECH UG. Current technology. Future excellence.
Welcome to ELECTRO-TECH UG YouTube channel. We are excited to host Eng Johnson, who will be taking us through how an automatic transfer switch or automatic changeover switch works, that is ATS. But please subscribe, like and comment to this video. Let's dive into the official content.
Hello guys, today we're going to see and just run this a simple circuit of a changeover. And different, what we need to make a changeover circuit is we all need a few components which include contactors. Here is a contactor. We need auxiliary contacts. We need loads like this, and maybe some indicator lights, as you say. So briefly about this circuit, this purpose is to make sure that there is continuous supply of power, which we can also call the UPS, an interruptible power supply, to the loads. Just in case the mains is off, we can use another source of power like generator, solar system, or any other source of power. So here what we have done, we have a system that uses two sources of power. Here we have our mains or the grid, then we also have our generator. So once the mains is off, we use power from the generator, as we shall see a few seconds to come. Then when the generator is off, mains can come in, or when we have both, we made our mains as the priority so that we can only use mains even though generator is on. So we're going to run it briefly and we see how it operates. I'm beginning with mains. This is our circuit breaker that powers the mains contactor, and this is the circuit breaker that powers the generator contactor. So we can start with the mains CB. So I've switched on mains power, and now I'm powering my loads using grid power. So we want also to test the generator side. There I've switched on generator side, but because we still have mains on, we may not detect that the generator has also been put in our system. So to check if our generator is also working, we have to switch off mains rather. Here I've switched off mains and our loads are not turning off just because we have the generator running. But in a scenario where we have both generator and mains at the same time, we made this mains contact as our priority, so that at the time where we have both on, the load should be using our mains power. Just briefly, as you can see, if generator is off, mains work. So once mains is off, the circuit switches to generator. But once mains come back off, if the source is retained again, then the system automatically switches to mains and leaves the generator alone. So briefly, this is the changeover circuit which you can construct using contactors, and it is automatic. I think we shall add on